What is Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 and how do we start it? What are the uses of this application software? So, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. We have learned to work with the word processing component of Microsoft Office 2010 for effective documentation. That means till now we have studied how to make our document more attractive, more informative. Okay, so with the help of word processing components. So further knowledge about Office 2010, we will now start with Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. This is a presentation software which offers most of the tools similar to Microsoft Word for creating multimedia slides presentation. This is also an application software which is quite similar to the Microsoft Word. The following topics such as introduction of the chapter, what is Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, how to start a PowerPoint, components of PowerPoint window, creating a new presentation, adding slides, contents, adding a new slide, applying presentation theme, changing the slide layout, saving a presentation, closing a presentation, opening an existing presentation, and how to apply a slideshow. So let's start. Today we will cover only 4 topics, that is introduction, what is the Microsoft PowerPoint, and starting, how to start a PowerPoint, and last is components of PowerPoint window. PowerPoint presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint presentation 2010. Presentation means communicating an idea or message effectively to the masses, or to communicate the common message to many people simultaneously. We use different presentation modes like audio visual presentation or text based presentation, etc. So what is basically presentation means? Presentation means to deliver, to share your thoughts, to share any message to the many people at once with the method of showing them audio visual or showing them a text based presentation. It is a very effective of presentation which can help us to convey the message behind the creating presentation in a clear manner. It means you can prepare a slide, you can add different objects like picture, audio, video, or any graphic to represent your, to share your message or idea to the different people at once. Okay? Now, next is what is Microsoft PowerPoint 2010? PowerPoint 2010 is a presentation software. Now, you have already studied about software and hardware, right? Okay, let me tell you again what is hardware. Hardware are those part of computer which we can touch, and software are a set of instruction. Both are the important part of computer to use computer properly. Now, PowerPoint 2010 is a presentation software used to create multimedia presentation. Okay, multimedia presentation means we can add in our slides, in our document, different kinds of graphic. हम अपनी स्लाइड्स में अलग अलग टाइप्स के ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऐड कर सकते हैं, जैसे हम फ़ोटो ऐड कर सकते हैं, वीडियो और ऑडियो क्लिप, right? And we can make our presentation, we can make our document more interesting and effective. PowerPoint presentation is a systematic representation of information in the form of slides using various components. Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is a systematic way of presenting your thoughts or any message to the many numbers of people, so that they can understood what you want to say or what you want to deliver it. Okay, this presentation software will help you to make your thoughts more clear, more explainable to the people or viewers. Now you can see here on the screen, this is the interference of Microsoft PowerPoint. So here we can add in our document different like components like text, pictures, audio, video. So these are the different components which will help us to make our document more creative. A slide is considered as an individual page of a presentation. Now you can understood like this: you having your book, computer book, each page is representing a information. आपके पास एक बुक है, बुक में हर पेज कुछ ना कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको डिलीवर कर रहा है, ठीक है. तो वैसे ही माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट भी एक बुक है जिसमें हर अलग अलग स्लाइड कुछ ना कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको दे रहा है, right? So this is a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now we will study how to start Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we will see how to start PowerPoint. As you can see here, this is a laptop screen. Here at the left side, it is a start button located. Okay. When we will click over it, you will find a list of all program. This is the all program. Whatever program is installed in our laptop, all are listed here. So we want to work for MS PowerPoint. Click over the Microsoft Office. You can see here all the listed program of Microsoft Office are given here. We want to work on Microsoft PowerPoint. So we will select it and click over it. It will directly go to the blank document of MS PowerPoint. Okay. Now you can see this is the interference of Microsoft PowerPoint. This is the blank document, nothing we have created, and this is called a slide. Okay, this is a slide and this is the area where the slide can see, okay, where we can see the numbers of slide, that is called a slide pane. So moving further, next we will study the components of Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint window has following components. First is a title bar. You can see here at the top of the document it is written here title bar. It shows the default presentation name by default along with the program name, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. When we used to create any document, by default the name of the document comes like this: presentation or Word file or Excel file 1, and the document name, the file name, which file we are creating. So here it is a presentation 1 Microsoft PowerPoint. Next is quick access toolbar. Nearby the title bar, you can see here the Quick Access toolbar. It is a customizable toolbar present on the title bar having option to be used frequently. Now frequently means जो हम बार बार options हमें चाहिए होते हैं, all those tools or options are available under the Quick Access toolbar. Next is ribbon. Just below the title bar is a ribbon showing various PowerPoint program commands customized under the tabs and group. Just under the title bar, you can see here this all area is a under the title bar, all the tools, small boxes you can see here, this is a ribbon. Okay, and ribbon consists two things, that is tabs, this small tabs, and the group of small tabs called groups. Okay, it calls group, like paragraph is a group. Font is also a group, and inside font box you can see here bold letter B is written, it is a tab. Now next is file tab. File tab, this tab gives access to the file related options like new, open, save as, and print. File tab is located here, which gives us a shortcut for creating a new file, opening a new file, or save the existing document, or print command. Okay, this is also like a quick access toolbar, but this quick tools help us to perform any outer task, right? Outer task means suppose we want to print any document or this document in which we are working, so we have to go to the file tab where we will find the option to print the document and we will give the command. Next is view button. They are used to display the presentation slides in different views. You can see at the bottom of this view button, this button helps us to display the presentation slides. Whatever the slides we are creating, we can see that individual slide, in a different forms, in a different phase. Okay, हम अपने जो हम स्लाइड्स क्रिएट कर रहे हैं उस स्लाइड्स को हम डिफरेंट तरीके से कैसे देख सकते हैं, that option is available here in the view button. Next is work area. This is a work area where we are working in a slide, that is called work area. You very well know that in every application wherever we are working, that place is called work area. And you can see here the placeholder. Okay, this box or the pair of this two box is called placeholder. That means here we can add different objects or different graphics like audio, video, okay, pictures. So this is a placeholder, right? Placeholder is located in a working area. जहाँ पे हम काम करते हैं वहाँ पर हमारा प्लेस होल्डर लोकेटेड होता है ऑलरेडी. वी डोंट हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट, जस्ट वी हैव टू क्लिक ओवर दिस स्मॉल बॉक्स. नेक्स्ट इज स्लाइड्स एंड आउटलाइन टैब. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर slide tab and outline slide tab. To the left side, slide pane have a slides and outline tabs. Slide tab shows the thumbnail views or thumbnail version of each slide, and outline tab shows the text content of each slide in the presentation. Now slide tab shows us what, जो भी हमने अपने स्लाइड्स में क्रिएट किया है, दैट ऑल थिंग्स वी कैन सी अंडर द स्लाइड पैन और स्लाइड टैब. And the outline area, okay, thumbnail means the first page or the last page of a document we can see only under in the outline slide tab. Next is note pan. Note pan is located at the bottom of your document. This area under the slide pan is used for typing presenter notes. That means, suppose you want to make any document and you want to leave any important note for the reader, you can write at the last box is located at under the slide pan. That area is especially for the readers and for those people who want to leave any uh, special note for the reader. Okay, so these all are the components of PowerPoint.